How's it going, guys? Yomtosh here, back with another video, bringing you more tweaks for another Jailbreak Wednesday. And the first tweak I'm going to show you is called SirDock, and this is basically just a circular dock for your iOS device, and it looks really cool. As you can see, I can swipe around it. It's like a carousel kind of, and you can still access your apps, so music and Safari and the likes. And I'll just go into settings right here, and you can see that you can also put more stuff into the SirDock, so you can customize it to your heart's content. You can also change like the animation and some other stuff like that, so that's really cool. The next trick is called CoolCC, and CoolCC brings back like an iOS 7 style control center back to your iOS 11 device. So you just get that white outline that gives it that nostalgic look, and it really does look cool. CoolCC. The next trick is called MPSheet, and this basically allows you to share your now playing music. It's pretty cool, so you can add it to your control center from the control center menu, and once you do, any song you're playing right then, you can just click on it and you can share it using your normal share sheet method, so like airdrop, messages and the likes. So that's also pretty handy. And the next trick is called StuckXI or StuckXI, and this basically brings the iOS 12 stack notifications to iOS 11, and it looks pretty cool. So one thing it doesn't show you is it doesn't show you the show less that the iOS 12 has. So instead, if you want to stack them back, all you have to do is swipe back up on the notification center, and you don't have to do it all the way. You can just kind of like peek, and then once you pull it back down, all your stacks come again, and you can expand the stack just as you would on iOS 12. So that's pretty cool. The next trick is called StatusDND, so status do not disturb. And if you have the iPhone 10 status bar, you can basically show your do not disturb under the time basically. So I have a screenshot here, and it basically just looks like that red or the blue when you have like hotspot on or you have your screen recording on. So pretty discreet kind of, maybe not so as the regular icon, but it looks pretty good. It's like a nice purple touch on your screen. And the last trick for today is called New Grid Switcher, and I just did like a screen recording of this one, and it's basically like the switcher on the iPad. So you swipe up, you have your floaty dock, and you have your gallery of apps that you can just like slide through. So pretty cool. Not very good on my tiny device, and that's why I didn't keep it on. But yeah, if you have like the 4.7 inch or the iPhone 6 and the likes, make sure you try this out. Pretty handy. And that's it for the tweaks for this week. Tune in next week for the next episode of Jailbreak Wednesday. Yomtosh here, signing out. Peace.